Hi K1, it's Miss Ross here. I wanted to talk to you today about addition. So there's lots of different strategies we can use to help us with addition, and one strategy is drawing pictures to help us solve addition problems. So we're going to add to 5 today using pictures. So our first addition sentence says 2 plus 1 equals. Remember, this is our addition sign and this is our equal sign. Our addition sign means that we're adding or we're putting together those two numbers, 2 and 1. So I'm going to draw or use pictures to help me solve this addition problem. So I have 2 circles underneath the number 2 to represent 2, plus 1 more circle underneath the number 1 to represent 1. Let's put those pictures or those circles together. Let's count how many circles we have all together. Because remember, on the other side of this equal sign, we need to figure out what 2 and 1 equal all together. So 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let's try another one. So this addition sentence says 3 plus 2 equals. So remember, this sign is our addition sign or our plus sign, and it's telling us we need to put those numbers together. We're combining them. I'm going to use smiley faces this time. So I drew 1, 2, 3 smiley faces to represent or show the number 3. Plus 1, 2 more to show the number 2. Let's count how many smiley faces we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we combine 3 and 2, we get 5 all together. So let's read our number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Let's try another one. So this number sentence says 4 plus 1 equals. I use stars this time, and I'm going to put my stars in a tens frame. So remember, a tens frame is a tool that can help me with addition too. It has 10 boxes. So let's count. I have 4 stars here plus 1 more. So let's count how many stars I have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or half of that top half of my tens frame. So 4 and 1 more is 5. I have a video for you that will help us just review what we just learned using pictures to help us solve addition problems within 5. And it helps us look at it also just a little bit differently. So I'm going to do a new share so we can listen.
What I want to do in this video is think about the different ways to make 5. So what do I mean about that? So right over here we have 3 plus something, so there's some unknown number right over here. 3 plus something is going to be equal to 5. And in this diagram, we have 3 circles here. That represents the 3. And then we have 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so how many more circles do we need in order to fill up all the 5 boxes? We've clearly already filled 3. Well, let's think about it. We just have to add 1 and 2 circles. Now we have a total of 5, 3 blue ones and 2 of this purple color, or I guess this pink color. So we see that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So that mystery number here, that blank, is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now over here we have 2 plus some mystery number is equal to 5 again. And once again, we have 5 spaces, and 2 of them are filled in with these kind of purple pink stars. So how many more do we have to fill in order to fill in all 5 boxes? 2 plus what is equal to 5? And I encourage you to pause the video and think about it. So I'm assuming you've had a go at it. So let's think about how many more of these boxes we need to fill in order to fill in all 5 of them. So we need to fill in 1, 2, and 3 of the boxes in order to fill out all 5. Now we have 5 stars. We have 2 of the pink ones, and we have 3 of the blue ones. So we can say that 2 plus 3, the mystery number here is 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Let's do a few more of these. So here, I have 4 plus some mystery number is equal to 5. And I filled out 4 of the 5 boxes. How many more do I need to fill in order to have 5 things, in order to have all 5 boxes filled out? Well, we see very clearly here that there is exactly 1 box that we need to fill in, or 1 box that we need to add to the other 4. So we see that 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now let's go the other way. We have the 5 boxes. Only 1 of them is filled in. How many more of these smiley faces do we need to add in order to fill in all the boxes? Or another way of thinking about it, we have 1. How many more do we need to add to 1 to get to 5? And like always, encourage you to pause the video and think about it on your own. Well, let's see. We can add 1, we can add 2, we can add 3, and 4 yellow smiley faces. So we could say 1, we have 1 white smiley face, plus 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow smiley faces is equal to 5. And you see a pattern here. Let's start at the beginning. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. When you had 3 filled in, you needed 2 more to get to 5. When you had 2 filled in, you needed 3 more to get to 5. Notice 3 plus 2, 2 plus 3. Same thing over here. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. Let's explore what it means to subtract. Let's
All right, nice job, kindergartners. You were adding to 5 using pictures. So that's one strategy you can use when adding addition sentences. Way to go, nice job.